I had a couple of hiccups.
Where is she?
She's right there, Judge.
Okay, come up, Miss Ramirez.
The state wants to do a 6-month extension for her to finish her treatment. She's had a couple of positives. I had a chat with her.
I'm not down with that. I'm not down with you just continuing to drink. You're not supposed to. That's the first damn element.
Barely 20 seconds in, and you can already feel it. The judge isn't just fed up. He's done playing nice. But here's the real question. Should a courtroom be a place for compassion? Or is this tough, no-nonsense energy exactly what's needed to finally break the cycle? You decide.
Is you don't drink, and you're continuing to do it. It's not going to happen. You know, I mean, do we need to put her into an inpatient treatment program?
They're recommending IOP and SOP.
The cost of an inpatient, because with DWI-PTI.
Oh, I'll revoke her bond. It'll be free.
Hopefully we don't do that, Judge. Can you give her a chance to do the IOP, SOP? I had a chat with her.
You want to keep in this thing? I'm going to put you in inpatient treatment. You're going to go right now. There goes your life. 6 months minimum. And if you're good, 6 months. Right. If you're good, I'm sorry, 6 months. Otherwise, it's a 1.5 years in custody. You know, no means no. Doesn't mean I've got a party. I've got Jesus telling me to do it. No. How many positives? Let's not get ahead of ourselves.
So she completed the DWI education, effective decision making, and victim impact. On March 12th, she admitted to consuming alcohol. And then on June 20th, she provided a blow of 1.53.
0.153? That's nearly double the legal limit. That's.
His blood alcohol level, 0.153. Nearly double the legal limit. And let's be real. When you're on probation, that's not just risky. That's pure recklessness. 10 drinks isn't bending the rules. It's flipping the whole table over and daring the system to react.
When the probation officer...
It's like eight drinks.
She said she had 10 drinks and she was celebrating her sister's birthday.
No, there's got to be some kind of sanction. No.
Judge, can we do, instead of putting her in inpatient, can we maybe take her in for the weekend and then let her out and go her with
I'm okay with that. Yeah. And then at that point, I'm going to put an ankle monitor on her.
Can you let her come in? Did you drive here?
Yes.
Can we, her car is going to get towed. Getting her car out of impound.
Because...
Well, so I know this is not the court's concern. I'm saying my concern for her is that if you take her in right now, her car is going to go to impound. Her family can take it out because they need a power of attorney. She's going to come out with over $1,000 in fees only to get her car out. But she will come back.
We continue to cater to everybody. And, you know, I get killed all over YouTube because people say I'm so mean. I mean, are we supposed to coddle everybody? Are we supposed to coddle you for just 10 drinks when you know you're on a freaking probation?
And then, here comes the emotional hammer. The judge cuts deep. You either have a problem or you just don't care. This moment isn't about rules anymore. It's about responsibility, respect, and facing the truth. Harsh words, yes, but brutally honest.
Shameful. You ought to be ashamed. That tells me that you either have a problem or you just don't give a shice about us. That's what that tells me, you know? And yet you still want a dismissal of this case. It doesn't work like that, you know?
I don't know if it makes a difference, but I've had her on bond for quite some time. And she's been on the program. She did her classes. If you give her a chance to come back, and if she doesn't do it, then I won't even have anything to stand on or come before you to say anything. And I don't think she will either. And being before you, I think she understands, right?
Yes.
Right? That if she does not take advantage of this opportunity, then that will be the end of that program for her.
Yeah. We're going to have Pavel. So, you know, I'll tell you, the only way is 3 days as a condition, and she'll have to turn, do you have a license? Can you run her license, please? She'll have to do the 3 days, and then as soon as she gets out, immediately she'll get a scram.
Okay.
She'll have to pay for it because I can't pay for it.
That's fine.
You know,
Well, since it's a contract with the state, I guess you could drive with the scram.
I want to make sure first she has a license. Okay. Do you have insurance?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Hey, Pavel.
Yes.
I need you to please amend the contract, and I don't know how, but so this is Miss Ramirez.
Okay.
She's had quite a number of blows, positive.
Okay.
We're amending to do 3 days as a condition, and then she's
PTI.
on the PTI. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, and then the other issue is that Judge, if you want to put her on a scram, then we need to amend the contract to reflect scram, but allowing her to drive. Because normally the way that it works on your template contract is if she gets a scram, then automatically there's a non-driving affidavit.
Right. No.
So
We'll
that-
keep everything as is, but I want to make sure that she's not at all times she's not consuming. Whereas here, all she has to do is blow. Right. So we'll do the extension, but that's the conditions, right? So 3 days is a condition to begin, I guess, within the next couple days.
So
And
how
then
do
upon
you,
release, she has to get the scram, and then she has to do IOP and SOP.
how do we do that? The sheriff won't take her in. So if she shows up, if it's a civil contract, we can do in the contract 3 days as a condition, but if she shows at the jail and says, the sheriffs won't take her in because there's nothing in the.
Melissa?
Can she do it, Judge, she's a full-time student, can she do it over the weekend, like go in next Friday and come out on Sunday so she doesn't miss school?
What days are your school? See, I mean, we continue to cater to people. That's all we do here. We cater. It's like,
The only way she can do the 3 days is if you revoke the law. So whenever she wants to go in, she has to come in, and then we have to revoke it, and then you have to bond reinstate it whenever you want her to get out.
I just want to make sure that from a practical perspective, we can get it done.
Let's not downplay this moment, because this threat is real. Inpatient treatment isn't just a warning. It's a year and a half of your life put on hold, all for one reckless mistake. So here's the question that cuts deep. When someone keeps crossing the line, do they deserve more time behind bars, or one last chance to rise and redeem themselves?
What
if you ever test positive again, you're going to lose 6 months to about a year and a half of your life. Do you understand me? So if it'll be the best damn party, best damn beer, best damn drink, best damn smoke, whatever it is, you ever test positive again, I'm telling you, inpatient you go. Because it really tells me that you have a problem and you're incapable of stopping on your own. So we'll do it for you. That's it. Okay, so I guess let's reset the case between now and what's your school schedule like?
I have class Mondays and Wednesdays in the morning and the afternoon.
What about Thursdays?
Thursdays, no class.
What about Fridays?
No class.
Okay, so let's start on Thursday then. Okay, because that way she'll get a bed. Otherwise, she'll be sleeping on the floor. It's too many people going in on Fridays. They sleep on the floor, as opposed to if you go in on a Tuesday through Thursday, you get a bed. So we'll have you come back here on Thursday. Can you amend it between now and then?
I've never done that. I'll see if that's even possible.
I don't think-
Anything can happen,
Well,
man.
Judge, if
Really?
Judge, if you revoke her bond and she goes into custody, let's say we do Thursday, well, probably better Friday, so we can have her on the docket on Friday and Monday.
Okay,
And then
I'll
we come back
reinstate
on
on Monday.
Monday, you reinstate her, we don't have to amend anything.
all right. Good.
Just so we can kind of,
I understand. Okay,
that's, okay.
Yep. Okay.
And then we'll just amend, if you want to do the scram, then they'll just amend that.
I mean, if they tell me that they can't do that, then I'm not going forward. I'm not going to do it because it's not fair that she's out drinking 10 beers or whatever 10 drinks in one night, and it's a slap to the face and everybody else that actually complies with this thing. No way. I'm not going to do it. So, okay, we'll see you on Friday. So